I could read the instructions, but why would I do that? It looks like what they used to inject my Botox. This is so hard. A potato scarf. Today we are putting 4 kitchen appliances to the test. Are they worth the money? Do they actually work? I'm not sure. Let's find out together. Some of these are new, some of these are viral, some of these are perfect for summer. We're gonna find out. If you're interested in buying any of them, I'll link them down below. Let's get into it. The Cuisinart Custom Convection Bread Maker. So this was actually a gift sent to me by my wonderful friend, Kim Tai. Kim, thank you. Carlos, thank you. I am still gonna be very honest with you guys. If it's easy to use, if it makes good bread. Super excited. I believe in this machine, you just dump in your ingredients. I will say I've heard that it's very important you layer them in a very specific way. And then in said machine, it will mix and bake it all inside. Let's see, shall we? Let's unbox her. So it looks like, oh, you can make pull apart garlic knots in here. Oh, she's smaller than I thought she'd be. Wow, she's kind of cute. She's kind of petite. Oh my God, on here the options are white, whole wheat, French, Italian, sweet, low carb, gluten-free, rapid, package, pizza dough, artisan dough, sourdough starter. Give me my basket. Hello? 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 I could read the instructions, but why would I do that? Remove bread pan from baking chamber by closing. Oh. Instructions do work! So to make the sandwich bread, I'm gonna do a small 1 pound loaf. We need a 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of water, 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of non-fat dry milk, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1.5 teaspoons of instant yeast. All of our ingredients are in place. Press menu to select the white program. Menu, loaf size, small. Crust color, I like a light. Just in case she's loud, we move to the office where we will close the door. Woo! Oh my God, it's like an easy bake oven. You excited for bread?
It's like Oprah.
Nara Smith wishes. She's actually so fine. She's actually growing wheat. It's on need 1 right now. Wow. Taste test time. It does smell quite good. Nara's working on the butter. We're gonna work it out on the remix. Oh! How will she plop out? My bread! 3, 2, 1. It's really hot. Cal, I made bread.
You made bread.
Oh, 3, 2, 1, taste.
Oh, it's fucking good.
It's toasty on the side.
No,
I want one. It tastes
that's
like
good.
Regular sandwich bread. Overall, this is amazing. Here you go. Cannot wait to use this to make more stuff. I'm excited for the sourdough starter function. You can make a cake in here. This is incredible. 10 out of 10. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Carlos. I can't wait for more bread. Next, we're gonna try this KitchenAid. Oh wait, that's not English. Vegetable sheet cutter. So in case you didn't know, KitchenAid mixers have like a bajillion different attachments that you can buy. Pasta cutters, pasta makers, meat grinders, all the things. I saw Andrew Lowe put this on the internet and I needed to try it myself. So you can basically put anything inside. Sweet potato, apples, cucumbers, zucchini, eggplant, literally anything. Ooh. It looks like what they used to inject my Botox. This one I feel like I should read the instructions on. Get creating. I will. Oh, very cool. Very cool. I had the idea of doing this with zucchini to make like a really delicious lasagna noodle of some sort. I feel like you could use this for a bunch of things. Today, I'm gonna try cucumbers. Unplug the machine. We open up this little guy up here, and then this is where you insert whatever you're using, and it runs off the power of the machine. Just slip her right in, I think. Question mark. Yeah. Yeah. Rotate lever clockwise to the locked position. Oh my God. Cut cucumber or zucchini to maximum length of 4.5 inches. 1, 2, let me give her a little chop chop. That looks good. Insert the food holder into one end. What is the food holder? Oh, okay. Place the food and food holder onto the main body and twist to lock into place. Huh? Oh, maybe I was just supposed to take that off and then maybe it goes like this now. I'm not having fun. Oh, okay. I thought this was gonna be the easy one. Is it doing anything? No. I think we figured it out. Oh, we have a jam. Why is it not working? It's making such a mess. My lunch. We've decided to not give up. We're gonna try on a sweet potato. I think the cucumber was a little bit too juicy, so it wasn't able to grip onto it. We're gonna see if this works. If it does, that's good. If it's bad, that means this is a fail. don't even know if this is gonna work. This is so hard. I feel like this is not right. I'm gonna leave it like that. We'll put this in here and then we lock her. Moment of truth, everybody. Brace yourselves. Oh!
Yes.
Oh! Is it done? That's it?
Whoa.
A potato scarf. She honestly, I mean, I did the thin cut. There's also the thick cut. This is gorgeous. You could use this. Honestly, you could like cut it into little thin strips and make noodles out of this. You can make this into chips. Really? I feel like the options are endless. Would I ever recommend this product? No. But I will find a use for her. Let's go to the next one. After our first attempt with the KitchenAid attachment, I'm not really looking forward to this one. This is the KitchenAid shaved ice attachment, which I thought would be so fun. It's summer. You can make your kids a cute little shaved ice, a snow cone. You can make a granita, make it alcoholic, whatever you want. This is the attachment. You know what? Actually, I should read the instructions first. Grip the blade from the bottom and rotate. That sounds scary. Of course. Fine. Oh, that's fun. Oh, I see. Okay. There we go. Let's go for fine. Locked. Let's go. Insert the ice cup sleeve into the detachable ice cup. So I'm gonna plop this. Woo! Right into there. Okay, we're doing good. Rotating it to the left to lock in place. Wait, that's not right. This is so hard for my pea brain. That's not right. Oh, there we go. Okay. And a lock, okay. Into there, okay. If I did it right, it should come out. That was amazing. Now I have my snow cone syrups because no snow cone is complete without syrup. Cherry, blue, raspberry. Great. I'll do the two and meet in the middle and then it turns purple. Here we go. Shaved, it's technically like shaved ice, right? Or snow cone. Tastes like being at a concert in the park as a kid. Delicious. This one passes. I don't know how often I'm gonna make a snow cone, but it's nice to know I can when I want one. All right, last but not least, we're gonna try out the new Ninja. We're trying out the new Ninja Slushi, which honestly, I was really excited about this. So they said online that you can basically pour any liquid in here. It doesn't need to be frozen prior. You just pour your liquid into the hopper and in 15 to 60 minutes, which is kind of long to be honest, you can make slushy. So I was like, how perfect is this for like summer, for parties, for anything? I was really excited because I was gonna put in like poppy soda, I was doing like a healthier soda and have like a healthier slushy. I have now been informed that actually, no, it only works if you put stuff in with a lot of sugar. So right off the bat, don't love that. Nevertheless, we proceed. I have here Sprites. Basically, you need to have just as much sugar or more within the same amount of fluid ounces. So this, for instance, has 12 fluid ounces, 38 grams of sugar. So we're good to go. It says here you can make a slush, a spiked slush, frozen juice, a frappe. Oh, a milkshake. That would be pretty good. But I'm gonna try the regular slushies today. But if you guys wanna see more, let me know. All right, we've cleaned everything. We're sliding her back into place. Boom, boom, boom. Now we're gonna pour our Sprite into the hopper. Wait, you know what we could do, you guys? We could add the blue raspberry and make it like a blue raspberry Sprite. Oh, I love that sound. We're gonna add some blue to my hair. Do you know the reference? No. Selena Gomez.
Blue going on. I like a little edge and a little pop in my hair, so I wanted to add something different, especially for the Teen Vogue party.
Now I hit slush. Woo! Yay! Guys, I think it's done. It's slushy consistency. I have Luna here to check to see. Is it slushy consistency? She said yeah. The machine did say to continue spinning while we dispense. Oh yeah, it's definitely ready. I'm gonna put my glass here. It's like I'm at the movie theater. Moment of truth. Is it good? I think it's good, right? It kind of looks like when you go to the beach and you pick up the wet sand and you... Wait, you know what? It's a little liquidy. Try her again.
It'll melt.
It tastes like a movie theater. It's honestly so good. It's really good. It's so good.
Whoa.
Push it out, girl. I will say 2 cans of Sprite made one single Slurpee. 1, 2, 3.
Tastes just like the movie.
It's really good. Honestly, I like that it's less sugary than one at the movie theater. It's really refreshing. What?
I'm just so proud of you.
Oh, thank you.
Some of us chose looks, some of us chose books. Mother would be so proud.
Thanks. So, anyways. Overall, I love this thing. I have to say, Ninja's so incredibly innovative with everything that they do. I do think this is more of like a hosting or a party kitchen appliance. Like I will be using this every party that I throw. I feel like it's gonna be such a crowd pleaser. Frozen margaritas, milkshakes, or something for like a movie night, like Slurpees for a movie night would be really, really cute. If it's just you at your house chilling, I don't think you need this machine. And if you're looking for a single person thing, the Ninja Creamy is incredible for absolutely everybody. Overall, bread maker, absolute yes. Vegetable cutter, absolute no. Shaved ice attachment, probably. It's cool, but not necessary. This, also cool, but only if you have a lot of friends or family. And on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun. If you want me to try any other kitchen appliances, you know I love a kitchen appliance, let me know. I'll give you a very honest review. Love you guys, bye.